Greetings, family. Law and Reiki bring you legal news and updates. We have sobering news from our financial sector. We reported just a few weeks ago that Black women unemployment has risen to 7.6%, an unbelievably large number. Well, the bad news keeps on coming. It is hitting us like a ton of bricks. We have now found out that the American unemployment rate has reached 4.6%. That means there are 7.6, 7.7, 7.8 million Americans who do not have a job. This number, though, does not factor in those who are slight contract work, those who are what they call gig workers. So they may be working some type of part-time or contractual basis, hoping to get certain assignments, certain jobs sent to them, either from a corporate basis, organizational, something that comes from your city or state grant structure, and they're able to perform some function and receive some money. However, this is not a full wage, this is not a full-time wage, and this is not something that usually includes health insurance. So you have people who are barely employed. They are employed to an extent, but they are not included in this 4.6% number. They're not included in this nearly 8 million Americans who are without work. So when you factor in those people who are lower employed, not fully employed, this number balloons to over 15 million. There are 15 million Americans who are either not working at all or just getting a couple of dollars. You can't feed yourself. You can't take care of yourself. You certainly can't take care of a family on this salary. And this leads us to some more stories, some more reporting here from Law and Reiki. It's coming out that people are struggling to even find a place to live or means to support themselves and live. It's just not possible. We talked about that income needed being 106,000. You got to be in the six figures to live comfortably in certain states in America. And it's even getting more sobering. Like, when we talk about living, we're not talking about like all the things that we do in our very existence. We're hanging with friends, we're hanging with family, we're taking trips, we may be making everyday and large purchases. I'm talking about, do you have a place to rest your head? It's very scary out here, and family, I keep talking about it, but we have to come together in love. Like, you cannot survive on your own right now. Very few of us can do so. You have to find someone that is competent, that is understanding, and that is going to have your best interests at heart. Because right now the wolves are out. Family, 4.6 unemployment, nearly 8 million Americans on their couches, and there's another 5, 6, 7 million who are barely getting anything. Sound off, family. Like, are you